Hi there. My name's Carl. I want to introduce Drain Punch to you plumbers and maintenance men and facilities directors and engineering directors that are looking for a product that actually works. For the last year and a half, actually 2.5 years, I've had the pleasure of meeting a number of hard-working plumbers and maintenance men from hospitals to apartments to commercial buildings, universities, anywhere where there's buildings with people in them, using the sinks, using the tubs, using the drains of all sorts that creates problems. And you guys, time is very valuable. A lot of times what you're doing is a hard, nasty job, and what I've learned over these 2.5 years is that Drain Punch has had a tremendously positive impact on these guys and gals that are using it. So hopefully you'll give it a try. The website I've launched to share some of these stories and information with you is nonaciddraincleaner.com, www.nonaciddraincleaner.com. You can get in touch with me there either by a message or give me a call, or even order some Drain Punch if you want to give it a try. We've got customers that rely and now trust Drain Punch because in some instances it saved them hundreds of dollars a month in outside fees and increased man-hour production, and in a few cases it's been thousands of dollars a month that it's saved them. So it's a product that pays for itself very, very quickly, and it helps make a tough job easier, because most of the time this is going to be a simple pour right through standing water. Give it a few minutes to work. Could take 30 or 40 minutes. When it's done, flush it out. It'll clean the lines all the way to the sewer. I've got customers with buildings dating back to the 40s. Doesn't harm cast iron pipes, doesn't harm any pipes or gaskets. Food disposal, safe to use them there. Use it there. And lastly, over the summer, I've had a number of customers with multi-story buildings with the AC condensate lines built into the walls. And as these lines have backed up with algae buildup, it's caused tremendous expensive repairs to be necessary. And non-acid Drain Punch goes through that algae like butter. You just pour it in there, give it a few minutes, and rinse it out, and you'll be very happy you did. One thing that's different is that Drain Punch is the highest concentration of sodium hydroxide available on the market in a liquid form. A lot of other companies have good products, I'm sure. I've competed head-to-head to win business against them. They've never worked. When you look at their labels, they look a lot like Drain Punch's label. Says it does all the same stuff, makes all the same claims. You'll see them on the internet and on YouTube making all the same claims. Yet when I go into these businesses and deal with professionals that have been around a long time and seen it all, I have to earn the business. But once I have, you'll see them doing testimonials for me. This is a different kind of product. It makes a different kind of solution for you because it's one that actually works. I hope you'll give it a try. nonaciddraincleaner.com is the website. Thank you very much.